classic tuning with no capo. The main riff is going to start with this F power chord, have 8 on the A, 10 on the D, 10 on the G. We're actually going to start with a little muted hit and then 2 strums on this F power chord. We'll then have 2 muted hits, a little down up strum, then move down to 6, 8 and 8 like an E flat power chord, and strum down 3 times. And then another down up muted hit. We'll then move up to 11, 13 and 13 on the same string set, so strum down twice. Up to 13 and 15 and 15 down once. Then 15, 17 and 17 once. And then 3. So a long strum, and then 3 short ones. So we have the 8 and 10 and 10, mute, down, down, mute, up. Then 6, 8 and 8, down, down, down. Mute, up. 11, 13 and 13 twice. 13, 15 and 15 once. 15, 77, long, short, short, short. And that's the whole main riff. And slowly. I'm more up to speed. As we go into the chorus, we're going to make the riff thicker by adding the low E string, which is the 5th of the chord in the bass below it. So all we do is we extend the finger to cover the E string as well as the A. So in the first chord here we have 8, 8, 10, 10. When we go down we'll have 6, 6, 8, 8, and so on through all of the chords. So we just add the bass below as well, so same strumming. For the bridge section, we play some power chords. We play an F power chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So all down strums in 8th notes. This is 1st fret on the E, 3rd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Move up to an A flat power chord, 4, 6 and 6, same strumming. Then up to 9, 11 and 11 like a D flat power chord for 2 bars this time. Okay, so 1 and 2.